Amina. Okay.
Okay.
If I want to say two boys, then I'll say vous êtes français. That is masculine. Oh, yeah,
Okay.
that is masculine plural. Okay. So here,
Okay.
mostly in masculine, we add an S. But here,
Okay.
the français is already ending with an S. That's why
Hmm.
we're not adding another S. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. And if there are two girls and I want to say you are French, oh, I mean they are French, then I'll say elles sont françaises. So now I will add es. Okay, because they
Okay.
are girl and there are two girls, so it's plural. That's why I add
O-
es. Okay, so for masculine
Okay.
singular form, so this is a masculine singular form. What you have to do is La France remove the e, okay, and ais. What will you do? Remove the e and add ais. Okay, and
Okay.
after the c you will put sidil. Sidil. Okay,
Okay.
the comma, that is sidil.
Okay.
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 Okay, now India. India is called as land. Okay, Français is clear to you? La France. What will we do to make it masculine form? We will remove the E, add
He
A,
and I.
add AIS, and below C, what will you add? A comma. The comma is called as l'accent civil. Okay, this comma, see,
Yes.
you can see my pointer, this comma is called as civil. Okay, you
Okay.
understood how to make it masculine. Then if it's feminine, then how to write. If it's masculine plural, how to write. If
Yes.
it's feminine plural, how to write.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now land. Okay, land is India. Land is India. Okay. So over
Last
here,
India.
what you have to do to make it a nationality, remove E. Okay. Add IEN. What will you add?
I
IEN. Look, you can see
N.
here IEN.
Okay.
You can see here I marked IEN. Okay. So
I
what you
E N.
have to do is remove this E and add IEN. Okay. So
Okay.
if I want to say you are an Indian, then I will say QA Andia. Because you are boy, I will say Andia. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
If I want to say I am an Indian,